And I wanted to tell you the story of two cities. Many of you guys asked me, why do you do a second pass? And I've explained it before, but I'll do it again. So when I go for the first pass, I'm normally following a baseline starting point where I know that it is safe. In my case, it's about 200 for speed, 10 for power, and 140, 160 LPC, depending on how long I want to be sitting in front of the machine. And then I run a second pass, and that second pass is normally done so I can, kind of clean up the suit, but also, and I think more importantly, to bring out some of that color, some more of that contrast. So for example, this one is one that I did without the second pass. I don't know if you'll be able to tell the difference, but this one is one with the second pass. So same picture, different results. If the camera doesn't pick it up, this one has a lot more contrast. You can tell a lot more of the detail, and it just shows great. This one is a little more dull. It's a little darker. And I forgot to tell you, these are both MDF. So yeah, there you have it. You can see a bit of that shine coming through, right? Maybe not, right? So that's the one without a second pass. This one is one with a second pass. Now, the second pass, I usually go like double the speed, a little more, but I keep the power at the same level. So I might do like 450, 480 when it comes to speed, and the power, I just leave it alone. Depending, sometimes with the X tool, it's got that built-in light. So sometimes it's a little difficult to see detail-wise if you got what you need. But I've learned just to kind of do the second pass. If I notice that it's a little dull, a little dark, I'll do the second pass. Because of that speed, you're really not taking a lot from this, too much. You're not going too deep into the engraving. So it works great just to, bring over some of that extra detail. I have done a third pass a few times. If I see that the second pass just didn't bring out what I wanted, I've gone for the third pass. Again, I might lower the power to 8 or 6, keep the speed at 480, 450. And again, until I'm satisfied, I remove it from the machine and I do the rest of what I need to do, right? Because if you move it, forget about it. You won't be able to put it right back where it was, so that you can safely say, okay, I'm engraving on the same spot again. So anyway, tale of two cities. I always advise, just take a look at your engraving, don't move it, make sure that you are satisfied. At the end of the day, is you who has to be satisfied. Of course, your clients too down the road, but the first QC comes from you. So I hope you're enjoying these tips, working with them, and yeah, let me know. Find me on Facebook if you want to show off some of your engravings. So love to see your work too. So take care. Bye.